What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best PC cases in 2022. I've made this list based on build quality, internal space, connectivity options, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an inexpensive model that can fit smaller builds or a premium full tower option that can accommodate just about any system, we'll have the best PC case for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a compact case that still provides enough space for full-sized internal components and plenty of airflow, the NZXT H210i is a great and affordable mini ATX case for you to consider. The NZXT H210i is a new and improved member of their popular H series, and it comes with impressive build quality, outstanding cooling support, built-in RGB lighting, and updated connectivity options for a reasonable price. It has a smaller, lighter build than the other options on this list, but it still offers a solid 27-liter interior volume that can accommodate full-sized graphics cards and AIO liquid cooling solutions. It features a tempered glass side panel that only requires a single thumb screw for installation and a sturdy SGCC galvanized steel case that's available in multiple colors to match your setup. On the inside, you get a cable management system with pre-installed channels to keep your build organized, easy-to-use drive trays for SSDs, and removable fan mounting brackets, along with 2 internal dust filters in the front panel and power supply intakes to prevent dust from building up. Currently priced at an affordable $90, it also comes with 2 fans, an LED lighting strip to deliver a gamer-focused look, and NZXT's CAM smart device controller with a faster microprocessor, which allows you to customize the lighting and control fan speeds to maintain optimal performance. Unfortunately, it lacks the connectivity options of higher-end competitors like the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P, but the front panel still features a USB-A port, an audio jack, and a new USB 3.1 Gen 2 port for faster data transfers. It doesn't quite offer the advanced features or internal capacity of the more expensive models on this list, but the NZXT H210i is an outstanding, affordable option that can help keep your gaming system running at an appropriate temperature. If you're trying to save some money, or if you just want a compact PC case that can accommodate a mini ATX build without sacrificing style or functionality, this might be your best choice. For anyone who wants a solid, relatively inexpensive PC case that provides plenty of capacity for upgrades and comparable ventilation to higher-end models, the Lian PC 011DW Dynamic is my choice as the best PC case for the money in 2022. Lian is a well-respected name in the industry with several high-end offerings, and their PC 011DW Dynamic case is an impressive, affordable alternative that offers enough space for eATX boards and liquid cooling solutions. It has a sleek, sophisticated build that features a removable tempered glass panel to see the internal components and a brushed aluminum frame that's available in black or white depending on your preference. The mid-tower case is larger and heavier than the previously mentioned NZXT H210i, so it's not ideal for anyone who wants a compact build, but the extra space can fit full-sized components and everything from a mini ITX up to an eATX motherboard for greater versatility when building your system. Even more, you get a generous number of vents on the top, side, and back for improved airflow and magnetic dust filters to keep your system clean, which is impressive considering the current price of around $185. It provides generous support for liquid cooling and can accommodate up to 3 360mm liquid radiators, which makes it ideal for overclocking, but it doesn't include any fans like the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900. The front panel also offers a decent range of connectivity options, including a power switch, 2 USB 3.0 ports, headphone and microphone jacks, and a USB-C port for your newer devices or external storage drives. The Lian PC 011DW Dynamic is the best current option for the money because of its impressive internal volume, good connectivity options, outstanding airflow, and in-depth support for liquid cooling. This is an ideal option if you're not trying to break the bank on a premium option and would prefer a less expensive model that can get the job done and provide solid building versatility. Some people might be looking for a PC case that offers enough space for full-sized builds and similar overall performance to premium competitors for a lower price. The Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 is my choice as the best option for most people in 2022. Be Quiet is a well-respected manufacturer of PC cases and cooling solutions, and their Dark Base Pro 900 case is a great option that comes with extensive cooling support and a highly customizable and modular design, which makes it great for everything from gaming to demanding productivity work. It has a massive full tower design that measures around 577 by 243 by 585 millimeters, so it might be too large for smaller desks, but it's available in 3 different colors to fit with the rest of your gaming setup. While the frame is heavier than the previously mentioned options on this list at around 32 pounds, it features a premium build with sturdy steel, aluminum, plastic, and tempered glass components, and you can invert the case's layout for greater placement flexibility. On the inside, it offers enough space to fit anything from mini ITX to eATX motherboards and plenty of grooves and channels to keep your cables organized. For a current price of around $280, you get a well-ventilated PC case that comes with 3 Silent Wings PWM fans for optimal airflow and can support radiators up to 420 millimeters in size. The front panel features a power button, headphone and microphone jacks, 2 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 port, and an RGB lighting and fan control button to adjust the speed or effects, along with a unique built-in wireless charger to top up your devices as needed. I also like that it has sound dampening internal components, so it remains reasonably quiet, although you'll hear the fans at higher speeds. The Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 900 doesn't offer as many connectivity options as some competitors like the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P, but it's a great all-around option that provides plenty of versatility when building your system and good value for the price. Next up, we have a massive full tower case that features a premium build, ample internal space, and comprehensive cooling support to maintain high-end performance. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700P is my choice as the best full-tower eATX case in 2022. Cooler Master's Cosmos C700P is a high-end PC case that comes with an integrated RGB lighting system that can blend in with most gaming setups, a large footprint, and plenty of advanced features to help keep your system running smoothly and quietly. It has a sleek, modern-looking design that features a vibrant RGB lighting system and a premium curved tempered glass side panel for easy access. And like the Dark Base Pro 900 we mentioned earlier, it has a modular design that allows you to invert the layout for greater building versatility. It's a large and heavy case at around 50 pounds, but it provides plenty of internal space for your system and comes with built-in handles to move it around. You also get removable dust filters on the top and front panels to help keep your system clean without impacting airflow. The front I/O panel features a nice layout with a power switch, a reset button, a fan control button, and a button to toggle through lighting effects or colors, along with 4 USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C 3.1 Gen 2 port, and front audio jacks for your preferred peripherals. It also offers ample support for liquid cooling solutions up to 420 millimeters and comes with 3 120 millimeter fans to help keep the internal components at an optimal temperature. Unfortunately, it has a limited number of drive bays considering the current price of around $355, but it can support premium hardware components, which makes it an ideal choice for serious gamers. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700P is the best full-tower eATX case because of its premium build, luxurious design, versatile connectivity options, and superior all-around performance to cheaper cases like the PC011DW Dynamic. This is a great option if you're a gamer who wants to build a powerful high-end system and need a case that can support it. If money isn't an object and you're looking for a premium PC case that provides enough space for almost any build, the Corsair Obsidian 1000D is my choice as the best high-end option in 2022. The Corsair Obsidian 1000D is the most expensive option on this list, but you pay for performance, and it comes with extensive support for sophisticated cooling systems and a massive internal compartment that can house 2 different systems simultaneously. It has a much larger and heavier frame than the other options on this list, but it features a triple-chamber design with enough space to accommodate dual system builds, which makes it ideal for dedicated gamers and streamers. The case has slide-out mounts on the top and front that allow you to easily mount fans or radiators, and you can purchase additional mounts with different configurations. On the inside, you get ample space for liquid cooling, French doors on the rear to conceal your cables, 10 expansion slots, and enough space for up to an eATX motherboard so it can fit high-performance components. While the current price of around $515 is likely too high for most users, it features a premium design with sleek tempered glass side panels and can support just about any build, so you get plenty of flexibility. The front panel I/O comes with vibrant RGB lighting, a power reset button, audio jacks, 4 USB 3.0 ports, and 2 USB-C Gen 2 ports, and it has a second power reset switch on the rear, although it's somewhat inconvenient to access. It also comes with a Corsair Commander Pro controller, which offers support for up to 6 PWM fans, 2 USB motherboard pass-throughs, and the ability to control the lighting and fan speeds through their IQ software. The Corsair Obsidian 1000D is the best high-end PC case because of its generous support for liquid cooling radiators, telescopic fan mounts for easy installation, and more building flexibility than the cheaper models mentioned. If you want a premium case that can handle just about anything you could expect, this might be the ideal choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.